Hello, and welcome to Mr. English Talk Time. I'm Emily. Before we start, please pause for a moment. I want to ask you one honest question. Do you understand English, but when you want to speak, nothing comes out? You know the words, you understand the sentences, you watch English videos, you listen to podcasts, but when it is time to speak, your mind feels empty, your heart beats fast, your voice feels stuck. If this sounds like you are not alone. This happens to many English learners. And today, I want to help you understand why this happens.
Stay tuned for
and what
insightful
you can do
discussions
to
and
fix
expert
it.
insight.
Listen carefully. This is not because you are bad at English. This is not because you are not smart. And this is not because your grammar is terrible. The real reason is very simple. You practice understanding English, but you do not practice using English. There is a big difference.
Today's
When
episode,
you
where we'll
listen,
explore some fascinating
English
topics.
goes into your brain.
Stay tuned for insightful
When you
discussions and
read,
expert insight.
English goes into your brain. This is called input. Most learners are very good at input. They understand movies. They understand YouTube videos. They understand books. That is why understanding feels easy. But speaking is different. Speaking is output. Speaking means English comes out of you. Your mouth needs training. Your tongue needs training. Your
Today's
voice
episode,
needs
where
training.
we'll explore some
If you
fascinating
never
topics.
train your output,
Stay tuned for insightful
your
discussions
English
and
stays
expert
inside
insight.
your head. That is why you freeze. That is why you feel nervous. That is why you stay silent. Now, here is something very important. Speaking English is not about using difficult words. Native speakers do not use difficult English every day. They use simple phrases, but they use them naturally and confidently. And this is where most learners make a mistake. They think, I need better grammar. I need more vocabulary. I need perfect pronunciation. But what they really need is practice with real phrases, simple phrases, clear phrases, useful phrases. When you know what to say, your fear becomes smaller. Now, let's slow down and practice together. You don't need to be fast. Slow English is good English. Please repeat after me. I am learning to speak English. Pause. Repeat. Good. I am practicing English with my voice. Pause. Repeat. Very good. Do you feel that? That calm feeling means you are doing it right. Many learners try to speak fast. They rush. They panic. But confidence grows slowly. Now, let me tell you something honest. You can practice alone. You can repeat after videos. And that is helpful. But there is one moment that scares most learners. The moment when another person is listening. Maybe in a meeting. Maybe with a client. Maybe with a coworker. Maybe on a video call. That is when fear appears. Your brain starts thinking too much. You worry about mistakes. You worry about sounding stupid. And suddenly, your English disappears. This is normal. But this fear does not go away by watching more videos. It goes away by speaking in real situations. That is why real conversation practice
where
is
we'll
so
explore some
important.
fascinating topics.
Speaking with a
Stay
real
tuned
person
for insightful discussions
teaches your
and
brain
expert
that it is
insight.
safe. Safe to speak. Safe to pause. Safe to make mistakes. And this is exactly why we offer Meet Video speaking sessions. In these sessions, you speak with real people. Not fast English, not perfect English, just simple, clear English. You can take your time. You can repeat. You can stop and think.
Today's episode,
Nobody
where we'll
laughs.
explore some fascinating
Nobody
topics.
judges.
Stay tuned
You
for
are here to
insightful
practice,
discussions and expert
not to
insight.
perform. If you want to try this, You can find the Meet video booking link in the description below. Book a session when you feel ready. Now, listen carefully. You do not need native English. You need clear English. If people understand you, you are doing well. Communication is the goal, not perfection. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are part of learning. Children learn language by making mistakes. They speak badly at first, but they keep speaking. Adults stop themselves. They wait to be perfect. And that waiting is what blocks progress. So today, I want you to remember one thing. Do not wait for confidence. Confidence comes after practice. Speak even when it feels uncomfortable. Speak even when it feels slow. Now repeat this sentence with me. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Pause. Repeat. Good. I learn by speaking. Pause. Repeat. Very good. Every time you speak, your brain builds a new connection. You may not feel it today. You may not feel it tomorrow. But slowly, your English becomes easier. Your voice becomes stronger. Your fear becomes smaller. This channel exists for one reason: to help you speak English slowly, calmly, and confidently. No pressure, no stress. If this video helped you, please like it. If you want more slow English practice, subscribe to Mr. English Talk Time. And if you are ready to practice speaking with real people, check the Meet video link below and book a session. Thank you for being here. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.